is going to be your daily update today here on JASMY. Hopefully I'm saying that right. JASMY. Sorry, MY. This is obviously the Coinbase chart launched back in October. The 7th of October, so just over a month ago. Today, as you can see, broadening wedge pattern here, guys. You can see mass levels of resistance to the top side here. Not the worst case scenario, because you've got lovely, actually really nice levels of support here coming through on this upward sloping support line. And that's obviously going to be riding all the way up. If you do see any sort of crash coming through here, obviously this is a new coin. You can easily do that, guys. After seeing insane progression to the upside like so, you're obviously looking at very nice bounce points at around 10, 11 cents there. So really not too bad. What I would say there, zooming in, we are probably going to be looking at some sort of chart pattern coming through from the all-time high here, guys. And that is going to be something along the lines of, we could be doing a candle body here, guys, around that, like that. Obviously, we've got big resistance points coming through there. We can actually consolidating down this trend line at this point in time. Or we could do literally another horizontal coming through here. And guys, that is going to basically be making a descending triangle, guys. And then descending triangles, they tend to usually break to the downside there. But we're at the top of an uptrend. So fingers crossed, this is just going to be a bit of consolidation here. And then we're actually going to be looking at progression to the upside there. That's what the ideal scenario which we could be looking at there. In terms of, in terms of a bull flag scenario, it would be better to sort of do that, but it's not really the best thing in the world, right? In terms of an ugly chart pattern, that's pretty ugly right now. But we know bull flags, guys, they usually tend to break to the upside there. But yeah, maybe a range here that we could be looking at, and we could be looking at a breakout actually at this point in time. So yeah, definitely something to be thinking about there. In terms of a breakout scenario, if this is going to be a bull flag scenario that we are going to be breaking out from there, you could be looking at price targets there of around 29 cents there, which is obviously very, very progressive from currently trading at around 23 cents there. In terms of a trade here, it's going to be around a 26.37% there. Yeah, pretty interesting stuff there. Obviously, staggering take profits all the way up as we go there, guys, planning for any sort of reversal coming through there. Yeah, really quite progressive to the upside, I would say, if we are going to see us ride that wave. Definitely staggered take profits, because obviously after going parabolic like this, really parabolic motions there, we're going to see reversals. We're going to see consolidation to the downside there. So yeah, really not too bad, not the end of the world. But to be honest, overall looking pretty bullish here. We're not really actually setting any congruent lower lows there. We're not invalidating any higher lows here. We're actually just setting pretty minor lower highs here and then just coming up and challenging them. So I would actually be looking to challenge and invalidate the most recent lower highs here, sat around that 25 cents there. If we can get over that and progress to the upside from there, pretty good, pretty brilliant. So yeah, pretty good stuff. And that is going to be your update today there on JASMY.